Are you tired of trying to catch flying birds?
Hey, come over here, Tweety. Oh, no, you didn't.
Oh, yes, I did.
Ah!
Instead of that, now there's the new bird. No more stupid cage traps. Or stupid bird calls.
Chirp, chirp.
What did you just call me?
I don't know.
Instead, you just simultaneously poke the egg until it opens. This is tiring stuff. In about 9+ hours, the egg should finally open. Woo! It's good to get out of there.
Thanks, Bird and Egg. This stuff really works.
Yeah, best friends forever. See, they're loving it too. That's Easy Egg for you, everybody. This has been a QK Adventures production. Thanks, Easy Bird. Woo!